transportation problem, and a very interesting problem. Now there are two factories located, one at place P and other at place Q. From these locations a certain commodity is to be delivered to each of the three depots situated at A, B and C. The weekly requirement of the depots are 5, 5 and 4 units of the commodity respectively, while the production capacity of the factories at P and Q are 8 and 6 units respectively. The cost of transportation per unit is as from and to, cost in rupees, A, B and C 3 depots, P and Q are the factories, so cost is 160 rupees to A, 100 rupees to B and 150 rupees to C. Similarly 100 to A, 120 to B and 100 to C in rupees. How many units should be transported from each factory to each depot in order that the transport cost is minimum? Formulate the LPP. Now let X units and Y units of the commodities let X units and Y units of the commodities to be transported from the factory P to the depot A and B. I have used only X and Y. Let X and Y units of the commodities to be transported from the factory P to the depot A and B, and eight minus X plus Y to the depot C Now let me draw first a figure to make it more interesting. Okay. So now suppose we are having, let here be, we are having P and here we are having Q, two factories. Now depot A, depot B and depot C. Now what I have written, let X units and Y units of the commodities to be transported from the factory P. Now factory P we are having 8 and 6 units. Okay. So here we are having 8 units and here we are having 6 units. Now for A, B and C, for A, B and C we are having 5, 5 and 4 units of the commodity. So 5, 5 and 4 units. If you are making like this, it becomes a very nice question. Now from here, how many we have here? X units. From 8, X units have given to A, Y units to B, and this is what I have written, 8 minus X plus Y, because X plus Y is already given to A and B, and from 8 we are left with how many? Depends on the question. So here it is 8 minus X plus Y. Is it clear? Now cost in rupees is 160, rupees 160, rupees 100 and rupees 150. First thing. So now just formulating these in the equations we are having now. X is greater than equal to 0, y is greater than equal to 0 and 8 minus x plus y is greater than equal to 0, and this can be further converted into, in equation it becomes, now this will becomes x plus y is less than is equal to 8. So we are having 3 equations here and this one. Is it clear? So these were from P to A, B and C. Now let's check it. Now weekly requirement, we are having, first of all, weekly requirement of depot. Weekly requirement of depot A is 5 units. It is mentioned here 5 units. X units have already transported from factory P. Already we have given X units. Therefore, from factory Q, 5 minus X will be transported. Is it clear? So now 5 minus X from Q to A, already 5, Y is given, so this will be 5 minus Y from Q to B, and now from 6 we are subtracting summation of this plus this, okay. So we are having 6 minus 5 minus X plus 5 minus Y. Is it clear? Now rate, it is cost in rupees 100, rupees 120 and rupees 100. So similarly from Q to depot B and C, we are having now A, B and C, we are having 5 minus X is greater than 0, 5 minus Y is greater than equal to 0 and 6 minus 5 minus X plus 5 minus Y is greater than equal to 0. Now on solving we are having X is less than is equal to 5, Y is less than is equal to 5, and solving this one we will be having x plus y is greater than equal to 4. So now we are having 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now we have to have total transportation cost. Is equal to 160x, 160 with x plus 100y plus 150 with 8 minus x minus y plus 100 with 5 minus x plus 120 with 5 minus y plus 100 with x plus y minus 4. When we are solving this part, we are getting here as x plus y minus 4, this one. Okay. So on solving, what we are getting? On solving, we will be getting z with x minus 7y plus 190. It will be x minus 7y plus 190. Now mathematical formulation. Z is equal to 10 x minus 7y plus 90 and subject to constants one, x plus y is less than is equal to 8, 2, x is less than is equal to 5, 3, y is less than is equal to 5. Y is less than is equal to 5. 4, 1 taken together, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So like this we have to formulate this one. So mathematical formulation and subject to the constants, we are having this portion. Okay. So like this we can construct or formulate the LPP in a nice way.